From the floor of the CME Group, and there aren't that many days left here until they close those futures pits. Should we do the countdown? The name of this video is going to be called The PITBULL's Trend Change After a Long Weekend. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 21.19 even early in the morning. The low came in at 20.96 even late in the day. I called it. I said there were stops down to 98 and down to 2096 to 2098, and last we're 21.02 even. We're down 20.25 points. Total volume, we've got decent size. We've got 1.4 million minis traded, and we've got 2.4 thousand big S&Ps traded in the pit. Now, while that's better, I want to continue to tote my horn about this. For a big down day like today, to only get 1.4 million minis, that's not good. But I will say, coming back from a long weekend, that's not a bad number. Now, MOC, the MIM started coming out for sale right away. It showed sell 760 million, and the actual MOC came out sell 890 million, excuse me. Now, tomorrow we've got the MBA mortgage applications, we've got the Redbook, and we've got a 5-year note auction. Now, I want to say something. You know, that 1.35 or 1.4 billion, 1.45 billion for sale on Friday was the telltale for today. And you got to kind of question, is there going to be any kind of buying going into the end of the month here? Now, I kind of suspect that the way this thing went today, you can see it was like at one point, the algos were just catching on to headline after headline about the possible terrorist attack or chemical attack on a bunch of airlines or European airliners. And as soon as that headline came out, the futures started to drop. That was early in the morning, but then the headline regurgitated it or was put back out a couple times, and every time it was, the futures sold off again. So look, the sell-off was long overdue, you guys. We knew it was coming. I said the next 30 handles would be lower, and basically from 21.30 down to 21 even, I got my 30. A lot of people were saying, hey, you know, this could go 50, this could go 60. I want to reiterate something. I'm old school. I want to make $50 or $100 before I tell people I can make $1 million. So at the end of the day, we got the 30 handles. The S&P bounced back late in the day. It's my guess there's probably a little bit more of this to go this week. But you know what? We got to let it play out until tomorrow morning, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the opening print.